Melosi is shocked when he learns about the funeral. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Gomora from the 18th to the 22nd of October 2021 on Monday. Chiamo gives a great answer to the judge's question. Gladys admits to Zodwa that she is worried about Ntokozo. Stompy confirms to Mazette that Ntokozo is in Dawn's crew on Tuesday. Melosi is shocked when he learns about the funeral. Mazette tries to get closer to Ntokozo, but he struggles to come to terms with losing the pageant on Wednesday. Mazette set her seductive plan in motion and Ntokozo falls for it. Melosi considers going back home on Thursday. Tati decides to confess to Melosi. Dawn catches Ntokozo and Mazette kissing on Friday. Tati is haunted by her own conscience. Ntokozo is in trouble with Dawn. Bongani is ready to take his relationship with Zodwa to another level. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.